Hello, welcome everyone. So we will just wait for our guests to join in for our live. Uh, yes. So we have Pooja with us today, and also
Yeah, I hope it's
yes.
still echoing
Still
at my side.
echoing at my. Can you remove your headphones and talk? Maybe I don't know.
Yeah, is that it?
Yeah.
Is that it? Like,
Yeah. Like, it's audible to me. How about you, Nikita ji?
I don't know
I'm
what's.
gonna
It's not audible completely, but it's not echoing for me.
okay,
Okay.
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 Yeah, it echoes
Yeah,
back
it
to me.
echoes back to me.
I think we
I
are
think
going
we
to
are going
listen
to
to
listen to
ourselves today only.
ourselves.
Why is this
Why is this
happening?
happening?
And there's no option to mute here, so we can't like.
I know I also tried seeing it, but there is no, something that we can mute. There's only a camera thing, I think. Yeah, I only see that. I think we should continue. It'll be technical and it will get cleared up probably.
Yeah, there's some
Now I
connectivity.
can't hear it. Yeah, Pooja, you must speak. You continue. Are you there, Preeti? She's there.
Getting back. Ha, she's here.
Sorry, I've lost you.
I think Pooja, there's some connectivity. Ha, you're back.
Sorry, I've lost. Yeah. Oh, now it's not echoing.
Yes.
At least for me.
Continue sharing. Yes.
Yes. So all the people who are joining us
Awesome.
again now on
Okay,
live, we'll be
so I'm
continuing
going to
from
continue
where
and
we
quickly go
left.
before the connect of
Just
the topic.
go ahead, Pooja.
So, yes, as I was saying, I think for me, the connect with earth comes from my childhood. Looking at little things around grow, visits to farms, or having picnics in the farms, or sleeping under the trees or on the terrace, or uh, you know, little things like smelling desi rose or something. So I think तो उसकी एक खुशबू अलग होती है, उसकी एक फील बड़ी अलग सी होती है. So I think that's where it had subconsciously started, or it was always there rather, let me say it's not like a start and end. It was always there. I think we consciously realized things after I decided to break up with the urban fast life, um, because somewhere it was eating me that I'm not doing what I want to do, or I feel very disconnected with myself, because everyone is connected to earth, right? I mean, as I was saying previously, and the voice was echoing, that we are all connected till the time we start setting some goals which are very competition based, which are very progress and development based, quote unquote. So I think all those targets, like itne percentage, itni cycle, ye salary, whatever, all those targets, right? It starts you making look at one goal and disconnect from everything else. I think that's where a lot of disconnection happened, and then I'm glad I decided to break up with that kind of a lifestyle and just look within rather than outside. And I think it's like reflections of earth in yourself. And just the moment you start connecting, drawing the parallels, and you start loving everything altogether. So, yeah, that's about my journey.
Wonderful. I think a lot of images that you told about sleeping under the tree and all of that is like brought a lot of images in my own head. So even
Like
the will
staring
come.
into the infinity of sky. That's so beautiful. It's just amazing. It's not something that we can describe in words also, right? You have to experience that. क्या मिल जाता है, सेम ही तो पिक्चर है, ये लगेगा क्या है, तारे हैं कुछ, बट देयर इज स्टिल सो मच.
It's magic. Very magical.
इट्स कंप्लीट ऑल टुगेदर नया ही कुछ जोन है फैसिनेशन का, इमेजिनेशन का, जो आई थिंक डिस्क्राइब करना बहुत मुश्किल है. So let's also hear it from Nikita ji about her journey of connecting to Earth and bringing her element of myself Earth.
मेरी जर्नी भी, आई एम गुजराती फ्रॉम बॉम्बे, मुंबई में बड़ी हुई. तो भाग दौड़ की दुनिया से जब आई वाज डूइंग माय मास्टर्स इन सोशल वर्क, तो हम लोग काफी गांव में जाते थे, आउटस्कर्ट्स ऑफ मुंबई. आई थिंक वो मेरा काफी like it was a turning point in my life. I still remember sitting under a tree during an afternoon, 2 o'clock, with a book and waiting for a bus for almost 2 hours. And the wind blowing and the birds around and people are happily waiting. And I'm like, मैं कौन सी दुनिया में रह रही हूँ? I have not seen sky over sky and land and just slowing down. I think that moment, it has become one memory, very strong memory for me, where I really connected to myself and my surroundings, the earth. और उसके बाद तो ऑफकोर्स मैं काफी ट्रैवल कर रही थी. आई लिव्ड इन मेनी ट्राइबल एरियाज. उनके साथ रहने से, नेचर से, मैं जब पहले बार फॉरेस्ट में एक जॉब, तो आई वाज लिविंग अलोन देयर. इट वाज अ कृष्णमूर्ति प्रोजेक्ट. और मुझे एक पेड़ से दूसरा पेड़ पता नहीं था क्या है. मैंने सिर्फ, I think I knew only a mango tree and a banana tree. And then I was in a forest. And that moment, that year was like for me an opening, as a person, as a human being, to connect to earth. क्योंकि बॉम्बे में वो सब इतना एक्सपोजर नहीं मिला था. And then of course the movement of me meeting my partner and then we moving to a community farm. And so that's been the journey till now. And more slowing down, I would say, is what Mother Earth tells me. A within journey is what is where I am right now. Yeah. Yes.
I completely resonate with you. जब आपने बोला ना कि वहाँ पता ही नहीं है कि कौन सा पेड़ है. मैं खुद दिल्ली में पली बड़ी, तो मैं जब पहली गई तो वहां पे मेरे कुछ दोस्त थे जो कि अच्छा ये वो पेड़ है और वो पेड़ है और वो पेड़ है. लाइक यार मुझे तो किसी का भी नाम नहीं पता है. जो किताबों में पेड़ देखे हैं वो जीवन में नहीं देखे, और जो जीवन में देखे हैं वो ये नहीं पता किताबों में कहाँ है.
Exactly. So true.
और यहाँ पे कोई है जिसके पास ऐसे और एग्जाम्पल्स है तो वो चैट में जरूर लिखे कि उनको ये कैसा रहा, या हमारे किसी भी एक्सपीरियंस से वो कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं. तो अभी आप इस वक्त जो 5 एलिमेंट्स है नेचर के, उनमें से आप सबसे ज्यादा किससे कनेक्टेड महसूस करते हैं ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम? नॉट लाइक जनरली तो हम सबसे ही कनेक्ट करते हैं, बट आपके लिए कौन सा एलिमेंट सबसे ज्यादा अलाइव है आजकल?
मैं दिखाऊंगी.
अच्छा.
रेड मार्क, अर्थ.
एलिमेंट.
The earth element for me. Yes, definitely. The soil, the earth, clay. That's what I connect.
Sorry,
Did you see Pooja?
नहीं, मैं ना बीच में
अच्छा, we are losing her a bit.
Would you like to share a little bit about your connection with Earth and how you have like this strong fascination for?
क्योंकि एको बंद हुआ तो नेटवर्क का कुछ पंगा हो रहा है बार बार. आई फील एम फ्रोज, लाइक बोथ ऑफ यू आर फ्रोजन फॉर मी. ओके, सॉरी, यू वर शोइंग मी समथिंग.
Yeah. Preeti asked which element we are connected with, no? तो मैं दिखा रही थी अभी mud, earth. Yes, that is the strong feeling and connection. और ये शुरू हुआ कुछ almost 6 साल पहले जब हम एक फार्म पे रह रहे थे. मुझे वॉल पेंटिंग करना बहुत पसंद है. आई लव द वॉल, इट्स वास्ट, ह्यूज. पर आई हैड जस्ट my baby was there, my son was 1 year old, और मुझे वो उस वक्त केमिकल कलर्स नहीं यूज करना था, टर्पेंटाइन वगैरह. मुझे अंदर से एक फीलिंग आ रही थी कि इट्स नॉट नाइस फॉर द. तो आई वाज लाइक गोइंग थ्रू दैट, एंड देन हमारे घर के यहाँ पे टर्माइट का ये ग्रो हो रहा था वॉल पे, तो मड प्लास्टर्ड हाउस इज देयर, and then someone had scraped it off, and I saw that that red mud is still there, you know, that pattern is still there. And I got so excited, I just picked up a charcoal from the oven in the farm, and I started making one big huge build-up on that.
Wow.
And from then on has my journey been of colors and mud and earth and charcoal and, you know, everything from around which can give me colors to paint with, to express myself, you know, so wall paints, watercolors, crayons, all of it. So it has been a big growth, but the first, I think that was the termite growing, and when we scraped it off and I saw the pattern, I think that just brought out something, you know, for me. And yeah,
They
that
are
was it.
friends, right? They're all our friends. They brought something so beautiful in you.
Yeah.
It's so nice. So for me, I think it's going to be air at this moment, maybe. Because I'm sitting on the terrace and I'm feeling nice air, and I'm feeling good about it. So that's how I would say air. But yeah, otherwise, I think with every element, especially while working with compost or working with these plants, there's so much of calmness that you feel with when you have soil on your hands. I think it's an unexplainable feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah, I completely agree. मैंने कुछ समय पहले कंपोस्टिंग शुरू किया. जब मैंने पहला
हाँ.
कंपोस्ट ऐसे उठाया था, I think it was just amazing. मतलब earth element, water element, air element, space. But I could just see that all of the elements are just so present and alive in the compost. जिसको हम ज्यादातर अर्थ एलिमेंट से कनेक्ट करते हैं, बट बिकॉज मॉइस्चर दैट इट हैज और द एयर इट रिसीव्ड एंड वो पूरा प्रोसेस हुआ. आई थिंक दैट
Yeah, there's so much of life in it, right? So I think, yeah,
It is alive.
absolutely.
Compost
Yes,
soil
yes,
is alive.
definitely.
I would like to share one thing about soil, since we are talking
Yeah.
about compost. So I follow one artist who is a soil researcher. She calls herself. She's from New Zealand, I think. उन्होंने एक जार में, ग्लास के जार में सॉइल कलेक्ट करके रखा था 1 साल के लिए, और उन्होंने उसमें पूरा ये देखा, फोटोग्राफ्स लिए हैं आफ्टर 1 month, आफ्टर 2 months, आफ्टर 3 months, एंड यू कैन सी दैट इट्स अलाइव. इट चेंजेस. About the, but it changes. It's like she has not touched it, she has not moved it, but it's moving, and
Ah.
it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Oh,
The
that's so
colors
nice.
change. Yes, and it's alive, and she says that's what is happening to the earth, you know, and there's a history and there's a story, you know, in the earth. So that's something that really is fascinating for me right now. It's so beautiful.
Absolutely. Yeah. Oh, that's so nice. I never thought of this. That's so nice.
And you know, I feel that there's so much in the nature that we can just learn on our own, like just
Yeah.
by observation itself. So you don't need like lot of. जैसे बोल रही थी ना कि मैंने जो किताबों में पेड़ देखे वो जीवन में नहीं देखे, और जो जीवन में देखे वो किताबों में नहीं देखे. So I grew very disconnected with the nature. आज भी मुझे बहुत सारे फूलों के नाम नहीं पता जो मेरे आसपास उगते हैं, क्योंकि वो किताब में नहीं थे, मेरे कॉन्टेक्स्ट से नहीं.
Yes,
So, yeah.
yes. But we know so many flowers because of their smell. Or I remember कुछ 2-3 साल पहले मेरा किसी एक कॉलेज में स्टॉल लगा था, ठीक है. और उसके बाद शाम को जब मैं वहां से निकल रही थी, I ended up seeing this tree with these beautiful red flowers. And suddenly it was like, यार ये तो मेरे बचपन में मैं बहुत देखती थी, ये कौन से I just suddenly went mad out of happiness. Like, I mean, I was so happy. I'm clicking pictures and trying to figure out इसको क्या कहते हैं. We don't know the names, but the touch, feel, smell of it can ignite so many emotions in you suddenly, right? I mean, that's how that's how the connect with nature is.
Yes.
Like without a name.
Yes.
And someone was asking you for the name of the New Zealand-based soil researcher.
I will share it with Preeti, and I don't remember it right away, but I will
Acha.
share that also.
The
Yes.
description
Yeah,
while posting the IGTV.
sure.
Yes.
Wonderful. So let's talk about, because now we are experiencing quarantine and also summer. So let's talk about a little bit of practices that all of us are doing to also take care of our body and also understand कि अभी हो क्या रहा है. मतलब अगर हम मार्केट को समझें, जो भी हो रहा है, एक तो ये है नेचर से डिस्कनेक्ट तो है क्योंकि हम अंदर रह रहे हैं, कुछ हद तक ये भी रीजन है. बट और क्या तरीके हो सकते हैं जिनसे हम नेचर से जुड़ सकते हैं. सो व्हेन आई से नेचर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल द 5 एलिमेंट्स जिनसे नेचर बनता है. फिर वो चाहे धरती हो, आकाश हो, पानी हो, हवा हो या स्पेस हो. तो ये हमारे पास कुछ कुछ घर के अंदर भी है, तो हम उनसे कैसे जुड़ सकते हैं. सो लेट्स से वाटर एलिमेंट which has a property of cooling. और क्योंकि समर है, तो let's also hear from Pooja about her journey of how she copes up with summer of Mumbai, and if she can give some tips for us to just manage summer better.
I think मुंबई की गर्मी तो फिर भी ठीक है as in I'm saying this only because I have experienced harsher one in Gujarat. But however, having said that, हर साल temperatures are rising as compared to the previous year, and by every year it is becoming more and more difficult to deal with it, right? But just when I was talking with you on phone, while we were discussing about the life, she told about sharbats, and suddenly I was like, again, because I relate a lot to my childhood. So suddenly a lot of these things came up because summer is one season that most people don't like, but I really like. I really like summer. My reason is because जब हम छोटे थे, I was in Gujarat, and वहाँ the summer is really harsh. So what happens is दोपहर के टाइम पे आप बाहर नहीं जा सकते हो, बहुत तेज धूप होती है. तो उस चक्कर में ये होता था कि सारे के सारे ना घर पे रहते थे दोपहर को. सुबह में जो काम होता है वो खत्म करके आ जाते हैं, या शाम इस 4-4:30 के बाद they will start moving out if they have to go out. But till then, everyone, like even the male members of the family, will be at home. And हम सुबह से ही, मतलब सुबह 11-12 बजे के करीब से ही we would start putting these vetiver curtains on the door, on the window. Oh, see?
Saris, grandmother's saris and food. I was in Baroda most of the summers.
Oh,
childhood
okay.
summers.
Very, very close. Baroda and Halol, they are really very close. So, yeah, we connect with the geography is there. So, vetiver curtains, okay. And also one very desi, ठीक है, तुमको vetiver में भी पैसे नहीं डालने, I understand. अभी तो खैर प्लास्टिक की बोरियां आती हैं. बैक देन दे यूज्ड टू बी ऑल जूट की बोरियां ना. आप कुछ अनाज ले रहे हो या कुछ भी ले रहे हो तो एवरीथिंग यूज्ड टू कम इन जूट सैक. तो हम पूरे ये जूट सैक को पूरा भिगो देते थे, अच्छे से पानी में भिगो के उनको फ्लोर्स पे बिछा देते थे. पूरे घर के फ्लोर्स पे बिछा हुआ रहता था. तो ये कुछ घंटे फ्लोर पे रहने के बाद ये जो है, आप उसको उठा लो, जब आपको सोना है तब आप उसको उठा लो और पोछा मार लो, जस्ट सो दैट ऑल द गीला ना रहे फर्श, एंड देन यू स्लीप ऑन दैट. एंड क्योंकि आपने कर्टन्स मतलब विंडोज और दरवाजों पे वैसे ही कर्टन्स लगा रखे हैं, तो वो वैसे ही अंधेरा वाला माहौल है पूरा, पूरा अंधेरा लगा हुआ है, और नीचे फर्श इतना ठंडा है, और ऊपर से रोज एक स्टील का जो दूध का डब्बा होता है ना, कुछ उस तरीके का डब्बा, उसमें हमेशा रोज कहीं से तो रोज का शरबत आता, गुलाब का पानी शरबत आता था कहीं से. आई डोंट रिमेम्बर लाइक हु यूज्ड टू गेट, आई वाज टू यंग देन. Someone used to get this rose sharbat every day, and every day we would all sit together. शायद टीवी चल रहा है या कोई गप्पे मार रहे हैं, and we would relish this rose sharbat in this nice cool atmosphere. I loved the part that we were all sitting together, I think that is what I loved, and I think that's what I love about every festival for that matter. That festival में rituals जो होते हैं वो तो होते हैं ठीक है, but the part is that we come together. I think the whole feeling of community is what makes any festival special, for that matter. So yeah, so having said that, Rose Sharbat is something that can really cool you down. Gulkand is something that can really cool you down. Can make Gulkand at at your place. Just ensure you have desi gulab and not the fertilizer डाले हुए बहुत सारे वैसे वाले मत खाइएगा. Then शरबत, सौंफ का शरबत. सौंफ is one thing I love. तो सौंफ और गुड़ भिगा दो, या सौंफ और मिश्री जो होती है, I'm not talking about शक्कर. Avoid the refined sugar if you can, because it's not really great for our health. So you can use jaggery, or you can use mishri, the unrefined bigger chunks of sugar that you usually get. वो आप उसको भिगा दो. खड़ी शक्कर या मिश्री जो भी आप कहते हो, खड़ी शक्कर, exactly. So yeah, you have two gujjus on online with you, I just realized. Although none of us are in Gujarat, but yeah. Okay, so khadi shakar, I mean, just soak them together and grind it and छान लो और पी लो, या नहीं छानना है ऐसे ही पी लो तो भी बड़ा अच्छा मजा आता है उसको च्यू करने में भी. Yes, you can add a lot of fancy things, right? I mean, they're fancy yet, of course, with medicinal properties too. Just you can add elaichi, you can add pepper. There are so many things that you can add. But depends on you, आपकी capacity कितनी है. Once or twice के लिए मैं बहुत सारी मेहनत वाला काम कर लूंगी, but फिर after a point I know myself, I'll be like, जुगाड़ ढूंढ लो, ज्यादा काम नहीं होता. So I would just stick to the basics. Also, Palash. I don't know how many of you know what Palash is. Kesudo, Kesu, Palash, Flame of the Forest. बहुत सारे नाम हैं उसके अपनी अपनी languages में. It looks so beautifully breathtaking when it is on the tree, like in this season. पूरा पेड़ ऑरेंज हो गया रहता है, इतने फूल लगे हुए रहते हैं. I mean, it looks so beautiful. And I think one very important thing is कि जो season में जो चीज आती है, आप अगर वो चीज खाते हो ना, तो it automatically gives you the right thing. I think that's where you realize you are part of the earth, right? You are part of the earth, and earth has a beautiful system. तो ज्यादा दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है, जो मिल रहा है वो ले लो, because earth has already set a system. So you use watermelons, right? You get watermelons in this season because you need to stay hydrated. You get ice apples. क्या कहते हैं हम इसको? ताड़गोला. You get ताड़गोला or ice apple. You get love apples या जामुन जो होते हैं ना, वो जो white जामुन और black वाले भी आते हैं, but the other one red jamun, love apple, sorry, not white apple. हाँ, jamun जो love apple. ये सारे इतने watery fruits हैं जिनका water content बहुत ज्यादा रहता है. That's what you're getting during this season because you need to stay hydrated. So all this is so amazingly available around you. You just need to like forage, pluck, and eat. About the Palash sharbat that I was saying, all you need to do is soak Palash leaves. I love the addition of saunf here. You can add saunf also while soaking. And वही गुड़ या शक्कर के साथ आपको इसको कुछ कोई मिक्सी में ब्लेंड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप उसको अच्छे से जस्ट हाथों से स्मैश कर लो एंड छान लो. एंड सौंफ को अलग रखो, of course, because सौंफ is something that you can eat. Yeah, and you can add nimbu if you want, and you can also look at the amazing change of color when you add nimbu to Palash ka sharbat. The color changes. So yeah, छाछ जो हम सबके घर में, I mean at least गुजरातियों के घर में बहुत होती है. So yeah, things like that.
I'll add to it. Baflo, what we call Gujaratis. You forgot the baflo, the raw mango.
Yes. Aam panna.
That is the best thing.
Keri panna.
Where you boil the mango, jeera, jaggery,
Yes, yes.
एंड जीरा रोस्ट करके उसको जीरा पाउडर डालना है, उसको अच्छे से बॉईल करना है, कलर बहुत सुंदर आता है. I think that is
हाँ,
one of my favorite.
favorite.
I already have right now in my fridge one whole thing of buffalo.
Oh,
So I still add
I've just
water.
got Kachi Keri kal from the market. I think I'm going to do that soon.
और
Yeah,
एक मल्टी है कि ये buffalo which is raw mango, jaggery and jeera powder can
yes.
be also used for pani puri.
Yes, yes, खट्टा मीठा बड़ा tasty था.
ठंडा
Yeah, yes, definitely. So amazing.
Realizing why we are talking about this, also give a context. Let's give why we are talking about these drinks, because we are realizing कि टेम्परेचर तो बढ़ ही रहा है और हम वो टेम्परेचर बढ़ रहा है इसलिए एसी इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. एसी का ज्यादा
उससे और
इस्तेमाल तो एक हमने अलग ही नया साइकिल अर्थ के साइकिल से अलग बना दिया है और
हाँ,
को डिस्ट्रक्ट करते जा रहे हैं. So
yeah.
just do small little habits will help you get back to your own and also pay cycle. बोल रहे हो तो I will take care of my body in your own ways. जो आप so if you are giving me bail, all of these seasonal fruits, I'll consume take cool down my body instead of getting more ACs and disrupt your cycle.
और प्रीति एक और शेयर करना चाहूंगी क्योंकि मेरे को तमिलनाडु में है, हमारे यहाँ टेम्परेचर बहुत बढ़ जाता है and last week was really bad. We touched 42, which has never happened in April. और मुझे पित्त, मेरा बॉडी थिंग इज वेरी पित्त हाई. तो मुझे यहाँ का जो लोकल, आई थिंक इन महाराष्ट्र ऑल्सो वो लोग बनाते हैं, पर जो पका हुआ राइस होता है हमारा, चावल राइस को रात को सोक करना है
Correct.
पानी में और उसको सुबह उसमें 2 चम्मच दही, यानी इफ यू हैव अ बोल 2 चम्मच दही और स्मॉल अनियंस अगर होंगे तो वो उसको कट करके उसमें डालना है, चिली, देन वॉट एवर यू फील लाइक सॉल्ट डाल के. आई did it for 3 days and my pitta was absolutely, my body was taken care. मैं पहले 10 बजे के बाद बाहर नहीं जा सकती थी. इसको पड़े सादम बोलते हैं, ओल्ड राइस, एंड महाराष्ट्र में कुछ और नाम है, पर इसको खाने से सुबह खाली पेट यानी ब्रेकफास्ट के पहले और एज अ ब्रेकफास्ट it actually balances out the heat in your body and I could go out at 3 in the afternoon and I didn't get a headache. अगर मैंने ये नहीं किया होता तो मुझे 2 दिन तक वॉमिट सारा. तो ये मेरा अपना एक्सपीरियंस है इस समर में. And I think Pade Sadam is something which everyone has to try. Everyone has to take it, especially in that very, Gujarat, Ahmedabad, जो एकदम heat वाली जगह है, जैसे hot heat होती है. That is how we had last week here in Thiru, and it really helped. Yeah, so please Google Pade Sadam. All of us should take care of our bodies, so that we don't use this. We don't, do these things to our earth. Definitely, very well. Very nice.
Yeah, that's so nice. Thank you for sharing that.
Is rice curry that people make? Is it something of that sort?
Not the kanji. Kanji is something that you cook. This is cooked rice which is soaked at night, or especially you soak it in the night in water, just enough water, and you add little bit of curds to it, onion, ग्रीन चिली चाहिए तो डाल सकते हैं, तड़का डालना है, जीरा डालना है, कुछ टेस्ट के लिए डाल सकते हैं. जीरा इज वेरी गुड दैट वे, कूलिंग. और फिर उसको आप खाना. और वो जो पानी होता है, आई एम ए डायबिटिक, सो आई रिमूव द वाटर. तो मैं पानी निकाल के फिर दही और थोड़ा फ्रेश वाटर डालती थी. तो जो डायबिटिक है वो काफी बार बोलते हैं कि ये राइस स्टार्च वगैरह, but this is okay to eat,
Right.
So yeah, these are all things you can do. Yeah.
Also sabza, right? Sabza is very cooling. So a lot of, so basically just to what you were telling, what we need to do is understand the problem really well. Right now what is happening is we are not understanding the problem really well. we're going in a very haphazard or a very short goal sort of thing. क्या गर्मी लग रही है एसी लगा दो बात खत्म हो गई wow, but it's not that wow, right? I mean, look at the other aspect, look at the bigger picture, and you will realize you're furthermore irritating the root cause or furthermore expanding the root cause. So तुम्हारा problem resolve हो ही नहीं रहा. It is like how painkillers work, right? That you may feel like you're fine, perfectly fine, but you are actually being numb. You're not being fine. You're just not able to sense the pain. It's just like that. It's just making you insensitive towards the problem and not resolving the problem. That's how we are working on solutions, quote unquote, without understanding the problem really well.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So true. There's a question that Anu has asked in the chat, like, could you also share about your experiences of how these external elements support in your internal journey? Because we started talking about the element that you are connected to. So she wanted to also understand how these elements are also supporting you in your internal journey. Anybody of you could.
I think we are existing because of these elements, right? I mean, yeah, I haven't really thought much in terms of how each one is playing a role in me. But I think it becomes a very case to case sort of, like, so I remember once someone told me I was handling multiple things at the same time, and someone just tried to compliment me saying that you are a rock, and I was like, thank you, but I want to be water. Like, I want to be, I want to be like flowing. I don't want to be rigid like a rock. That's how I want to look at myself. So I think that may happen with like case to case sort of a thing. Or maybe I haven't really, in person, if you ask me, I haven't really resonated each particular element as a separate entity to draw some parallels here. So I'm really sorry on that part, Aman.
It's okay. Let's hear from Nikita Ji about her experience, maybe, because she also touched upon
What comes to me right now is how these elements help me when I am in distress. There are times when there are emotional upheavals and there are certain things. So I always, especially last 1 year, I've been sketching or painting with red mud. And red mud has become very sacred for me. I also connect it to my menstrual cycle. There's a whole journey of
her voice is breaking.
Water is another element which so when I drink my water in times when I'm in distress, I keep saying, heal me, mother water. And I go also to the terrace and outside when I'm to take it all in. So I think they all heal us. They remind us to remember to belong. We are doing that.
Ji, I'm not able to hear you. If you can keep your microphone closer to your.
Yeah. I was saying these elements remind me that I belong to them. I'm made of them. And when I'm in distress and self-doubt is there, they have always helped me to come back to self-love. These two elements especially are very, very right now alive for me when I'm sharing. And I think that's how I'm connected with my journey, with them. Yeah.
I think I agree to what you just said, and I was also seeing how do I connect these elements. मतलब मेरे को याद है कि जब भी बहुत ज्यादा इमोशनल ऐसा हो जाता है तो आई थिंक टेकिंग अ बाथ फॉर मी दैट कनेक्शन टू द वाटर एलिमेंट रियली लाइक ब्रिंग्स एवरीथिंग बैक टू माय बॉडी. जितना मैं अपने दिमाग में कहानियां बना रही हूँ उतना ही फिर मेरे को लगता है कि मैं वो वाटर एलिमेंट का होने की वजह से काफी वो शिफ्ट हो जाता है. इवन वाटर, ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, आई थिंक दैट आई एम सो एग्जॉस्टेड with different oceans and then just holding the glass just like this and then like taking each sip with that mindfulness that water is entering
Yes.
my body. I think works like magic for me sometimes. And आजकल तो मैं एक प्रैक्टिस भी कर रही हूँ जिसको मतलब ड्रिंकिंग विद इंटेंशन के रूप में मैं बोलती हूँ कि whenever I'm just having water, I'll sit down, I'll not focus on other things and सिर्फ पानी ही पीऊंगी, मैं और कुछ नहीं कर रही हूँ उस वक्त. And I think वो प्रैक्टिस वहां से भी आया जब मैंने ये समझा कि that 70% of my body is made up of water. So if I take care of the water element in my body, more or less मैं मेजॉरिटी पार्ट अपने बॉडी का टेक केयर कर रही हूँ. तो जस्ट now these days I'm focusing more on the water element, saying the intention if I have, like for example, if there's a pain in the body or anything that's not going well, so just having that intention that this water will heal me. और शायद कॉन्सेप्ट्स थे ना जब हम गंगा जल के जब इस तरह के रिवर से जो वाटर्स आते थे उनको इतना होली कंसिडर करते थे. I was able to draw parallels that way. जो ये पानी के
1 minute and come back. Yeah.
Yeah. I think for me also, जब of late there's something that I was relating is कि जब भी मैं कुछ ज्यादा स्ट्रेस में होती थी, जब भी बहुत हेवेयर होते हैं थॉट्स, I found myself drawn to my compost and I'll be like मुझे मतलब बहुत काम रहेगा, but I'll be like I don't want to do anything and I'll be like I'll just sit down with my compost sieving it. I don't know what difference it made, but it did calm me down that it's okay, I'm not doing a job with a lot of क्या जहाँ बहुत दिमाग लगाना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I'm just like looking at those little microorganisms, okay, you're not looking at microorganisms, you're just feeling them, but yeah, the other organisms that you can see. But basically the real heroes who compost, we don't compost, they compost. So it's just fun looking at them, and I think that helps me calm down a lot.
Yeah, wonderful. So I think going back to Nikita ji, I also want to hear about her connection with the mud more, and also the colors, because again that's a earth element. तो आप ऐसी कौन सी practices करते हो with the earth element also, जो आपको ground करती हैं? And you can also talk about, or I also want you to share the colors that you have made and show us a little bit of that.
So I basically try and get colors from the local around the house. I also get geru, which is get not quite easily the red mud. So वो मेरा एक favorite हो गया है. And the colors that I make at home are watercolors. These are the colors you can see. And so there is turmeric. This is the red mud, which is my favorite. And this is spinach extract green, spinach and turmeric. This is something which I have experimented, made now. Light pink color calamine powder आता है, उससे बनाया है. And this one is indigo powder. So indigo gives a nice blue. And then we have white clay and charcoal. So these are the things that I make, and these are the colors you see. These are watercolors.
Oh.
So I really want to say that. Yeah, this is like a swatch, just so people know it. I also make crayons from beeswax. I try and I'm going to try soya wax also, because people say that even beeswax पता नहीं कितना कैसे sustainable है कि नहीं, which is the next step of learning and growing. But these are the crayons that I have made from beeswax and natural color. So इसमें भी वही सारे colors हैं. And they've come out well. थोड़े और feedbacks मिल रहे हैं बच्चों से. So these are the crayon colors, you know.
Oh wow!
So they work very well on the watercolor rough paper. There are a few more things that have to be done, but I love to work with these because ये जो watercolors है इनको mix भी किया जाता है. So there is this somehow over last 6 years I've seen people say that watercolors, natural colors, bright ये क्या you know, colors मिलेंगे क्या? नहीं होता है, you know, everybody thinks it's going to be earthy, but they come out so beautiful. So this is one of the works. And if you see the browns and the reds are all mixed, with the thing, with these colors. So I mean,
Wow,
I
so
get
you
very
made that using these colors, these
yes.
watercolors. So
Done with that.
I don't think
This one
anyone will
also.
be able to get it out.
I don't know if I'm
Wow.
writing it live, but this was we went to a forest trek, and everyone went for trekking, and I went and sat, and I was for an
That
hour
somewhere
working with my
reminds
study.
me a bit of my Humpy trek up the sunrise point.
Here close by 2 hours from here, beautiful space. And so this has been Preeti, my journey, last 6 years. And there are few more friends, artists, six of us actually, who kind of work with each other. There's another friend who also does the same watercolor. She has another palette, and we are trying to get this to, as many people as possible, awareness कि ये possible है और ये
है.
जर्नी कब शुरू, वो जो टर्माइट वाली बात मैंने कही थी कि हम टॉक्सिक यूज कर रहे हैं, तो एज एन आर्टिस्ट is my self expression more important than mother earth? This was the question that ate me up. और मैंने ऑलमोस्ट 2 years तक मैं ऑयल पेंटिंग सब बंद कर दिया. I don't use anything anymore except watercolors, Camlin watercolors, क्योंकि काफी क्लासेस के लिए बच्चे आते हैं तो not everyone is able to afford. तो हम लोग ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि we make colors which are affordable, which are natural, and these watercolors work. So there are very many pictures here that I was going to show. They are beautiful colors. Whoever is watching this live, it is amazing. सारे कलर्स बन सकते हैं और ये तो बहुत ही कम 6 कलर्स या 7 कलर्स है. You can make n number of colors from natural. So this is the black charcoal. It's beautiful. This shows the brown and the indigo and the charcoal. So it's possible. It is amazing to work with. The feel of it is beautiful. And और सारी चीजें हमारे आगे पीछे है.
हाँ.
There is गमा अरेबिका नेचुरल है, काफी सारी चीजें. तो हम वर्कशॉप करने वाले हैं प्रीति, and I hope if someone is interested, please join that workshop. I would be very happy if people learn this and do more and spread the word. So
In
yeah.
fact, during Holi, or rather before Holi, we were doing
Yes.
workshops about holy colors that you can make at home, and there's so much just around us, right? Right in your kitchen, there is so much there. Like you don't even need to go far away.
Exactly. Charcoal. I mean, you can get charcoal in a city also with the iron
Yeah.
drive.
Yeah.
I'm saying it's possible.
Although आयन वाले आजकल तो बहुत सारे वो फुल इलेक्ट्रिक वाले यूज करते हैं तो जल्दी मिलता नहीं है. Like I did try initially, but I was able
मैं
to
अभी भी
source
गाँव में
it.
रहती हूँ, तो मैं
Yeah, but I was able to source it later, like wood ash and things. So
wood ash.
because I used it, so then which wood ash you would get. So that's not a major issue.
और जब हम शरबत की बात कर रहे थे ना पूजा, तभी
हाँ.
भी और एक आर्टिस्ट है जो फूड कलर्स बनाते हैं और वो भी वेजिटेबल प्लांट्स, edible flowers से popsicles, with orange juice and jamun juice, and so there is so much,
Yes.
that Mother Earth gives us.
Yes,
We just
absolutely.
see the magic.
I think we completely missing on the magic by ignoring this and looking towards the man-made, again, so-called quote unquote developmental progressions. We're missing on something that you already have in your hand, man. Just go.
I think just got blinded, so coming back slowly, seeing things around us.
Yeah.
Because of the corona also and other things, I think now small attention to the details is coming to many of us, I would say.
Yeah.
Definitely. definitely.
On that note, two things I wanted to ask before we leave. Nikita ji, you also share about the time and the date of your workshop. And for Pooja to share about how this name emerged, Slow and Conscious Living, and also talk about her brand. And then we can probably close the session.
Yeah, Nikita ji, you want to go first?
No, you go ahead. I want to.
Okay. So basically I have always been a slow person, ठीक है? तो मेरा प्रॉब्लम ये होता था कि हमेशा से घर वाले लोग हो या फ्रेंड्स हो, एवरीवन वुड बी लाइक जल्दी कर, इतना धीरे करेगी कैसे चलेगा? How will you survive in this world? So for most of the times, or not most of the times, but yeah, a lot of times I found myself racing either with the clock or with my sister. कि ठीक है मैं पहले बर्तन धोऊंगी या तू पहले पोछा मारेगी, या हम दोनों में से पहले अपना होमवर्क कौन जल्दी खत्म करेगा, या काटा 10 पर आए उससे पहले मुझे ये काम खत्म कर लेना है, whatever. And most of the times I was the person losing. Okay, the race either was won by the clock or my sister or my friend or whoever. I did keep on trying, but somehow there was some sort of a realization that that's not me. That's not me. I was a very different individual who did not resonate with speed, with pace, right? At the same time, I would find a lot of people who would get distressed जब उनका टाइम जल्दी, मतलब वो अपनी डेडलाइन काम खत्म नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, या लेट हो रही है चीजें, तो या कई बार ऐसा होता है कि आप रास्ते में किसी से मिल गए, से आपके बचपन के दोस्त से आपकी मुलाकात हो गई, ठीक है, एंड यू आर सो हैप्पी टू सी दैट पर्सन, बट यू आर लाइक शिट, नहीं मुझे जॉब पे पहुंचना है, या मुझे व्हाटएवर एक्सवाइजी पोजीशन पे पहुंचना है, यू आर कटिंग डाउन ऑन दिस मोमेंट्स happiness or joy or that contentment because you have to keep that time. Now I'm not saying with this that you mean to disrespect time, that's not what I mean to say, but what I mean to say is respect yourself, respect your emotions, your like अच्छा लग रहा है किसी से बात करके तो go ahead, like you might trust yourself that you will be able to take care of it at a later point, but however, okay. So, and also one more thing that happened with me all the time was that I was this person who will be like, don't litter, इधर उधर कचरा मत फेंको, या something like that. तो मैं हमेशा अपने आसपास अपने फ्रेंड्स को या किसी को भी बोलती रहती थी, and they will be like, मैं बोलती थी कि अपनी जेब में रख ले, डस्टबिन मिलेगा तब डाल देना. They will be like, टाइम किसके पास है? तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था इतना टाइम बचा के करते क्या है यार लोग, मतलब मैं तो ठीक है हर बार लेट होती हूँ, हर बार धीरी हूँ, समझ में आता है, बट तुम इतना टाइम बचा के क्या कर रहे हो? you're not able to do such a basic thing like littering, like you're not able to take something as basic as that. I felt that we were losing on the basic part of being a conscious citizen of this planet, a conscious human being, a conscious life, forget anything else, conscious life on this planet. So I felt that we were too fast, वो लिटरली घड़ी के कांटे पे हम भाग रहे हैं, हमें स्पेशली मुंबई मैन, द लाइफ हियर इज you're always racing with clock. So I felt we really need to slow down, and only then maybe we will be able to be conscious. So yeah, so I think that just happened with one hashtag one day on Instagram, and it was instant resonation. I was like, ये बहुत सही लग रहा है, तो मुझे मेरे स्टार्टअप का नाम जो मैं बहुत टाइम से सोच रही थी, कुछ और सोच भी लिया था, but this was one instant resonation, and I was like, okay, done. ये लंबा है, ये है, वो है, that's okay, but I'll still go ahead with this one. So yeah, with slow and conscious living, what I do is try to sensitize people. I won't use the word awareness here because I think a lot of us are aware about the issues, right? A lot of us are feeling the heat, but we don't want to take care of it because we're not sensitized. We are not sensitized that our kids, our younger siblings or our niece or our nephews are going to have a huge issue, or our pets, or let them not be a pet. Let them just be any wandering other species on this planet is going to have a problem if you behave as insensitive as you are at this moment. So maybe sensitizing people about living environmentally and socially conscious lifestyle. This happens through various workshops and sessions and activities and products which are sourced from different NGOs or eco entrepreneurs around India, trying to have more locally sustainable economy rather than making rich richer, poor poorer. No, just trying to have that fair trade business. Yeah.
Thank you so much. You can go.
And we are also going to have this series on workshops. Yeah, I was just forgetting about it. So it's a good point to be reminded that we're going to have a series of workshops from Earth Day to Environment Day, which is from 24. We are holding only on weekends. So 24th April to 5th June, wherein every Saturday and Sunday we'll be holding some workshop on some other topic, and we hope that the end of the workshop we are able to look at multiple aspects of our life more consciously, in a more earth conscious way. I mean, that's how. So it's called Hum Prithvi Se, because we just belong here. So yeah, that's so if anyone is interested, they can just connect.
And on that note, I also want to share about Myself Earth, because now I'm seeing the parallel that is happening between both the programs. Because Myself Earth
Yes.
is on the eve of Earth Day, that is 21st of this month, and culminates on the World Environment Day. And there are a lot of things happening in between, even on the weekdays. So 21st is our first workshop where the facilitator is using movement to connect to the nature. And then in that series, Nikita Ben's workshop is there on Sunday.
Yeah. Yeah.
24.
Is Nikita Ben's workshop on making natural colors, watercolors. So if anybody who's interested, I'm just posting also the name where you could get all the details about our workshops. Oh, I just missed the Z. And you could connect with me to know about Myself Earth and the workshops happening, and you could connect with Pooja for Hum Prithvi Se and whatever work she is doing. And whatever resonates with you, just go ahead with that. I think both of us have, or both the projects have this common intention that people connect to Earth in their own ways. So we are offering it movement, music, and all of these mediums, and Pooja is offering through hands-on skills that can be learned to feel more connected with nature. So wonderful. Thank you so much, both of you, for joining. And people who are still on the live, I want to tell you, tomorrow we are having live on Facebook, love2learn.xyz Facebook page, where we have two people who connect to Mother Earth with the music. So we might have some music going on and some experience for you to also be part of. So if you are free, then follow us on Facebook page for more details, the time and everything. And we'll see you tomorrow once again with Myself Earth and two more individuals who will share about their journey of connecting with Earth through music. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Good to connect with you. So good to connect with you, Nikita ji.
Yeah.
See you. Thanks for joining in. Bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you both of you for taking our time for this. I really enjoyed it.
For having us here. We were happy to talk about it.
Okay. Bye, Pooja. Bye-bye.